Welcome back. In this chapter, we're going to learn a little bit about organizational strategy and how information systems play a part of that, specifically how they can help a company gain and maintain a competitive advantage. At this point in your LCSC coursework, you should have a great idea of what a business strategy is, but let's just review it. The strategy are the plans that help the business achieve its goals or objectives to do certain things like develop new products, enter new markets, gain new customers, increase sales, and so on. And, of course, MIS is going to play an important part in helping the company achieve its strategy. In developing corporate strategy, one thing the business or organization will want to do is analyze its position in relation to competition. And one of the models that's very useful for that is the Porter's Five Forces model that many of you would be familiar with already. But the Porter's Five Forces model allows the industry or organization to analyze the competition that it has from vendors or substitute products, competition from new entrants into the market, how the existing competitors compete, what is the rivalry between them, and then of course, is their bargaining power of suppliers, is it high or low, or the bargaining power of customers, and all of these things are important in developing a strategy. To become an effective business and to survive, essentially, the business must decide some area that it can be more competitive than anybody else. And some of the areas in which a business or organization can get competitive advantage would include cost, being the best price or the highest price, speed, timely delivery, quality, and flexibility. And we'll go ahead and talk about some of these as we continue on. In developing a competitive strategy, a business must choose a focus. One of the focuses, competitive strategy, may be on cost. They're either going to be the high-cost provider or the low-cost provider, but something that makes them more competitive than the other people in the industry. They also may have product differentiation. Mercedes, for instance, has a narrow line of product. Cereal manufacturers, a wide product line. Market focus. Again, are we going to focus on a narrow niche market or are we going to mass market to everybody? And these are things that information systems can help in the planning and the execution of these strategies. Remember that a major portion of this class is your Business MIS review and then the redesign of that same business, focusing on an information system. Now, information systems definitely can help create and maintain a competitive advantage in your business. And in your review and also in your redesign, you want to think about, how does the existing system help them create a competitive advantage, and how can your redesign improve that? And as you read through this chapter, you'll see that there are many different ways that information systems can be used, but just remember to include how the information system is currently used and hopefully find a way to improve it.